W210 front door panel removal. So get started, roll down your window, and we can start by unscrewing the door lock pin right here. Next up, we're gonna have to pop 3 plastic covers. One right here, this surround around the door handle, and this cover right here. Be careful not to scratch the leather or the vinyl. Use a plastic pry tool and probably wrap it in some blue painter's tape, and just be really careful not to damage the finish. All right, so once you have these covers popped, this one will have a little catch. It stays on. This one comes off. You kind of have to be mindful of the clips here and here. This one will be really hard to take off if it's never been off before. It kind of bonds with all this material here. You have to kind of swing out the door handle to swing it out. She'll come out like that. So just be really careful. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips. There's a light that goes on top for some models to illuminate. That stays in there. And this bottom one is just a little cover, and there is a Phillips screw. These are what the screws look like. There are 3 of them, so 1, 2, and 3. This one I couldn't get out, but it is loose. Next, we will take the light off, so we'll just go ahead and pry it from one side, pull it out, and unplug it. So next step, we're going to take this off. It is a little screw. This little plastic strand will come off too. All right, once this is unbolted, this little plastic piece will just come right out. Then you gotta feed the wires from the light through the door panel, and then you're ready to pull the door panel out. So it's just clips held in here. So you're just gonna gently pry it out, and then it's gonna be stuck up here on the weather stripping. And you're just gonna pull this up gently. All right, so the door panel is off. So what I did was actually just pull it out first from all these clips around here. Just pull it straight out, and then I slowly started to wiggle it out from front to back, going like that. And the whole thing comes out. You might have some clips left behind, so be sure to take those out. Another possibility is the receiver ends of those clips might come off, so we're gonna have to glue these back on to where they were. So we're gonna get a hot glue gun, glue them back on, and then insert the clips again, and door panel should be fine. But that's how you remove the door panel on a Mercedes W210. It's on a facelift car, 2000 to 2002. Some of these steps will still apply for pre-facelift. So installation is reverse order. You start by lining this up, but don't push it down all the way. Insert the clips, then you do the screws, and then you set the top part down very last. And that's how you put the door panel back on. Thank you for watching.